talked to me yesterday. I had to mock you.
I can tell.
Yeah, you remember me. Yeah, that's special.
Oh, what have you been doing? Chris, are you going to co-host?
I didn't say you were old.
Yeah, I want you to. There you go. All up in my face.
Shut up. Lean towards me or something. That's all laying wrong.
Hi, Chris.
Hi.
You're...
Hello, Crystal. Hello.
Hello.
Who's Takos? I love how your eyebrow.
What? My eyebrow raised.
You get how do you get one eyebrow to raise? Mine both go up. Not like that. No, like when you do it, like you can actually make it look good. Shut up.
Because I'm sexy like that. I got sexy eyebrows.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's all late and wrong. Oh,
You know you liked it. Wait.
Should have hit mine. Just make it.
Yo, what's up? I can't see. I can see like this, ready? I know.
Wow. Epic.
Oh, you can't see my glasses. Look, go get glasses.
The yellow ones, the reading ones, the old ones.
You gotta get the sunglasses. Chris, are we gonna start our... 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, which glasses? These glasses? These glasses? These glasses?
You look like a construction worker in
Or
those.
these glasses?
Those glasses. Good fudge of those. I gotta remember to go this way.
My eyebrow just like went over. I'm
See?
like,
How do you do it? Like, see, I can't. Dude, I thought I said it looked like Sam, right? Like, you know. And then when I read that, I was like, you know my brother.
That's epic.
What? Why? What's wrong?
It's sad because I can't help but do it.
Am I a weirdo?
No.
Oh. I try to get it so, like...
I don't think my boobage should be. My eyes just got like huge behind the glasses.
What were we doing at 6?
Eating.
We were eating at 6.
What were you eating?
Shit. What? Kick the desk.
He said, what were we eating? And you said, shit.
I didn't catch that. I just like kicked the desk.
Did I say shit? I did not say shit.
No. They were eating tuna. I was eating turkey. I hate fish. I hate fish.
I just stabbed myself in the eye.
good. Neither do I. I actually hate it. It's nasty. It stinks. When I hear myself, it's annoying. Come on, Chris, talk. That's so cool.
What's that?
Who's it?
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Ew. If anything smelled like fish, wink wink, we need to go get that checked out. What?
Nothing.
That's so dramatic.
Ew. What, Chris?
Who cares? I don't know what to say, but I'm bored. Stop looking at me.
Wait.
You girls are funny. Stop it. Stop it. Keep it. Oh, she went. Oh.
I'm gonna poke you. You're getting poked by two chicks. There's something wrong with that bitch. Is your hair still messed up, Chris?
Yeah, I went to the doctors and just got back not too long ago, so it's still messed up.
Take your hat off. Let me see. Can't see the glasses. Gotta make it look like he's not bald. Alright, take your hat off all the way. I wanna see. I can't see. There we go. See? It's not messed up.
Yesterday.
No, it's not. Me too.
Oh, who's that? What are you so casual about?
It was looking like I was poking her boob.
I did.
Oh, she can hear you.
I added you. You should have.
Wait. I can't even do it. I'm smiling. Hey, Chris.
Do what?
We're gonna have a straight face contest. Ready?
Oh God.
I can't win.
Come on, ready? Put the shades on. Okay, ready?
He's cheating.
You lost.